Hey everyone, how are you? What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with me. I appreciate all the love and support. And if you're new here, my name is Joseph Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And if you're struggling to find your unique graphic design style, you're not alone. It's something that I personally have dealt with when I was learning how to navigate this whole field of being a graphic designer and knowing what looks good to me and what looks bad to me. And you know, a lot of beginners, they feel lost when trying to develop a style that stands out. So in today's video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to discover and refine your own personal design style. And let's get into it. First step is to collect information from different sources. You want to check out platforms like Pinterest, Behance, Dribbble, and Instagram to really see what styles catch your eye. But here's the key: don't just copy. Instead, you want to analyze what you like. Is it the colors? Is it the typography, the textures? Start noticing what patterns you're drawn into. As you experiment, you'll start noticing reoccurring elements in your work. Maybe you love using bold color palettes, unique textures, hand-drawn elements, or a certain type of font. These are your signature design traits, and they may help you to define your style. So you want to write them down and try to use them consistently. To visually track your progress, create a mood board of your best work. This could be digital. This could be a digital board on Pinterest or Milanote, or even a collage in Photoshop. Seeing all your designs together helps you spot common themes, and refine your style even further. Because this right here, at what you're looking at, this is a board of some of my work. Just seeing how much I have evolved. Woo. That's how you can develop your own graphic design style. Let me know which one of the elements spoke to you the most from the video, and make sure to hit that like. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up, give me a like on the video, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with my content when I post. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to check out one of the videos that YouTube recommends at the end. It'll pop up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.